Hi guys, guess what I did today? Went to the Dollar Tree. I had some ideas for some crafts that I needed, and where else but Dollar Tree right down the street. So let's see what I got and see if you can figure out what I'm going to be doing. Right off the bat, I got eggs. Easter's coming, and of course they've already got their Easter stuff out, so I got 3 bags. These ones are the tiny ones. You get 24 in this bag. These ones are the step up, I guess. These have 18. And then these ones here, they have 6. And they're the bigger ones, and they're kind of pearlized, it looks like. But I have ideas for all these, and I guarantee they're not going to be all for Easter. So I got those, and these little lanterns. They are lightable. Oh, I haven't flicked the switch yet. Pull the thing out. Turn them on. You can't really see it very well, but it does light up. And I make these for kids all the time. I'll probably be showing you what I do with them. And then of course the garden stuff is back. The succulents. Aren't these cute? I do not have a green thumb. In fact, I have been known to kill artificial plants. So I love these, and I have a tutorial to show you what some of the ideas I get for these. So I got 4 of those, and then these jars. They have these all the time. These are not new. They are not seasonal, but these are just so pretty and so handy that I buy these quite often. So I got the pinkish purple and a deep blue one. And I got some of these little tiny white rocks for, it's like a ground cover type thing. And let's see, oh, I got some more rocks. This is for a tutorial that I'm going to be doing this week. And I'm going to be using some of these. And these little flowers. And believe it or not, these little flowers are not going to stay flowers. But you'll see my ideas sometime soon, I'm sure. And then I made the snowman jar in another tutorial a week or so ago, and when I made it I didn't realize I did not have another one of these, just the smooth one, and I'm kind of picky about, I want them to match. It doesn't have to, I mean, the painting won't match, but I wanted the jars to match, so I had to pick myself up another jar so I could paint it as a snowman. So I have hanging 2 of them hanging outside. And I got these little gift bags. And these to me are not just gift bags, they are plain white canvases. And with Valentine's Day coming up, and people are always wanting to have something to put their Valentine's or their gift or make it personalized. You know, what? 3 white canvases right there. And then of course, I didn't get a bag. Well, I got this extra, but I got myself another bin. Who doesn't need storage, right? So, and this will come in handy. So I'm gonna keep that actually. So this is what I got. It's not much, and I like to shop with ideas in mind, but some of these actually, I saw them and go, oh, I can use that. Like these. These I knew I wanted. I went to get rocks and the eggs on purpose. That is what I went for. As you can see, it kind of grew from there. But that is my Dollar Tree haul. Yes, it's just a little one. I didn't do a lot, but can you imagine what I'm going to be doing other than the jar? We know what we're going to do with the jar. But we have the succulents and the rocks and the flowers that aren't going to stay flowers and the lanterns and Easter eggs that aren't going to be Easter eggs when I'm finished with them. Now, tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think I'm going to be doing with this little batch right here. So, I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you're having a great day. And I really hope to see you soon. So, bye-bye now.